Tayo sa Boulevard. Morning. So, tayo sa Boulevard, Suroy-Suroy. Pauban Kalapate, ayan. Posta Kalapate. Lantaw muna ta karera ng boat. May karera ng boat dire. Ayan. May karera ng boat. Ayan. Diyan, karera. Ikot sila dyan.
This is race number 6 for the men's category. Starting in lane 1, we have
Pakawalan na natin Kalapate.
lane team A. Starting in lane number 2, Mizuki team A.
Ayun na, bye-bye na sila. Lipat na sila doon. Yun. Lipat na sila. May karera, yun. Karera ng boat. Karera ng boat. Karera ng bangka. Karera ng bangka. Pagpalipad na tanong Kalapate. Suroy-suroy din ang Kalapate ko. Yun, yung Pierre. Yeah, Pierre ng Dumaguete. Pierre ng Dumaguete. Ayun, Bethel Hotel. Yan, men's category naman ang race ng bangka.
Mizuki team B, Argo team A, and Silver University Red Blades team B. Please proceed to the ready bench right now. Calling on race number 8 for men's category.
Boulevard, ayan, Bethel Hotel. Dito tayo sa Bethel, sa Boulevard. Dito sa Boulevard. Ayun, men's division. Lantaw lang ta makatapos mag-toss ng Kalapate. Hello. Maraming bundag sa inyong lahat. Ayun na, ready na ang men's division.
Blades team B, please proceed to the pre-loading area right now. And having in lane 3, Dumaguete Yellow Fins Team A. Again, this is race number 7 for the men's category.
Nanalo yung black. Ayan. Black nanalo.
Paddlers for race number 9.
Ayan ang nanalo yung black.
New Gen, SJ Banati, Dumaguete Philippines Team B, and Gao Dragon Boat Team. Please be ready.